Hold on. Go.
This is Pinky. He's a male cat, domestic short hair. He's available for adoption. He's pet of the week, Placer County Animal Shelter. He's a very loving cat.
You want this, please? Oh, yeah. Pinky.
Pinky.
Pinky. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Well, we got a wildcat on our hands. Pinky, settle down, bud. Careful, Cole. Careful. Why don't I get a catch pole? Somebody got a catch pole.
Pinky.
Just set it over. Get a catch pole.
Catch our pole to get him?
Yeah, because I'm not going to grab him. Oh, look. Dude.
Watch it start up in there. Disconnect it from the gas. You got him back?
Excuse my language.
You got him in the car.